Hey all guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Arts Nails Nailology by the Pandita, and this time I'm a bit late in uploading my video because I was busy with festivities. So this week I'm doing some gorgeous fall or autumn nails because it's still autumn in my place. So let's begin. The base I am using 2 coats of this gorgeous mahogany color which screams fall, and on it I am going to draw a variety of leaves using a golden nail polish. This angled brush gives a lot of precision and it's so easy to use, therefore I am using this one for this nail art. And please excuse my mehendi design. I did it for Diwali, so it might interfere with my nail art, but I hope you will excuse me this time. So this is the complete design. I thought of using a matte top coat at first, but ended up using a glossy one because it looks too beautiful with a glossy finish, and it looks so similar to the Kashmiri design on paper mache stuff. So it's fun when you begin with something else, thinking about something else, and end up with a different thing, but it's still beautiful according to me. So do not forget to comment how you felt about this design and if you felt it was easy or not. So do like this video and share this, and also please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and hit the notification bell. So yeah, I'll see you next week. Take care, have a great week ahead, and bye bye.